Good game from both sides. Mamba really came on pressing on the right areas. We were a bit shambolic in the first half there, but we managed to pick it up and score some points. First game of the year, expected. The weather's not so good. I mean, it calls on a lot from the player in terms of skill set and all that to play under wet weather. So we got the points on board, and we thank God. The way we handled that last third of the pitch, I mean, every time we got there, at least we came out with points, and that was good. We exited well. We had some mistakes on the middle half position, but I mean, there are things we can work on. It's a long season, and I'm sure we're going to improve. Just have to improve on the mistakes that we made today. We're not counting our chicks before they hatch. I mean, we have got a long way to go, and we will push on. Cool.